About 11:37, 126 pounds. Ryan Chavez, Legacy. Rodney Cohen, Monster Garage, Mat 3. About 11:39. Dylan Morris, Yakaya Cash Rosario, the Mat 11. About 11:40, Brady Fleming, La Costa Canyon.
Let's go, Brady!
Attention for Sean Atari of Bloodline Orange and Maynard Melendez, Mat 9. For Sean Atari at 5.
About 11:41, 126 pounds. Gavin Whately, Monster Garage, Jimmy Jimenez, the Mat 8. About 11:42, Mason Thor, Merced, Mason Sizemore, Justin Garza, the Mat 10.
Come on, Tristan!
Go, Jason!
Just want to remind everybody for tomorrow, daylight savings time kicks in tonight, so make sure you spring forward with your time. Tomorrow's session will start sharply at 8:30 a.m. We will be clearing the mats at 8 o'clock to clean them for tomorrow. So once again, daylight savings time kicks in tonight. Make sure you set your clocks ahead 1 hour.